Well, hello, tubers. Kind of busy here lately, trying to play catch up on my projects. And anyway, here, I'll show you the little beast is out here. Ain't that right, Scampy? Scampy! Hungry? Whoa. Anyway, I'll give you a little pan around the room here and to show you what's all moved around and going on and yeah, whatever. But here's what I've been working on. And you're not going to believe this one. But axle seal went out. Oh, Christ. Well done, Jeff. Axle seal went out, and that's the new one. You got to take this whole thing all apart and unpress all the stuff and let it out, you know. So it's quite a job. But anyway, I was hoping maybe I'd get this more together yet today. And that's what's going on with him. You can see your gear case in there. It's a hydrostatic drive, 30 horsepower or whatever. Yeah. And, oh, I think mud got in by that seal. I got it stuck one time pretty bad. So that's what it kind of looked like. And people can give me free stuff again. And I got this servo drive, circuit breakers, cables, whatever. Sometimes it's stuff come in handy. And what you're hearing rattling, that's my scanner. And let's show you this one. Let me get the light on here for you. There we go. Now you can see it better. In vehicle test. Nope. I like this little tester. I've had that for quite a while though. It was quite pricey when I bought it. And it takes 6 seconds to test the battery. And these batteries, I don't think are very old. Look at that. 1056 cold cranking amps. Can you believe that? Unreal. So, well, my meter broke the other day, the on-off switch. I've just been leaving it on. Well, I finally figured out a way to cobble it. I got a cotter pin stuck in there for the on-off switch. Bent it around the corner kind of so I could get at the switch in there. But anyway, it all works again. This is the kind of crap I do when you're not around. But anyway, it's kind of my tour here. And today, I got more oil, I think, on the floor than I did in the pails over there. But, yeah, not good. Whoa. A lot of crap here for this job today to get it all handled. But it's going good so far. I didn't wreck anything that I didn't want to. So, yeah. So I'm going to get back to work here, folks. And we'll see what I can come up with for the rest of the day and get this thing back on the road. So it's my lawnmower too. Next time I'm going to take the mower deck off. I'll tell you that if there's a next time. That made it a real pain in the ass. I was going to take it off and I didn't, and I should have. So, no, 671 hours on it now. So, yeah. All right. Well, I'm going to get back to work, folks. So, hope to see you again in a little while. Bye-bye. Oh, I forgot to push the record button on my first shot. And anyway, I didn't show you my transmission jack. So let me show you that. I'm getting a new denture made, so I won't sound so stupid next time. Anyway, my other ones don't fit good anymore ever since I blasted my jaw. Broke it. And anyway, this is a board, and it's drill and tapped into the pad here. So you just tighten them up each time. And then I use pipe straps on some transfer case, trannies, stuff like that, to hold it onto this deck. And this is actually pretty old now. But the floor jack, I put a knurl on a pipe here for that and made a shorter handle because when I'm under a car, I use my legs to jack the tranny. and it don't hit the top of the floor in the car, so you can get a better pump. And so the handle stays down when you're under the car. I got some wheel weights in the pipe, so that works out pretty good for that, for as far as function. Well, yesterday, because of my hand, it's hard for me to wrench stuff. My right hand does really hurt bad, especially on my thumb. Anyway, friend stopped by. He says, I'll help you put that back together, Jeff, which was really nice. So we filled it up with oil, and let's see, that thing has got piston going on. Okay, where's my hand here? Okay. I think we're good to go. So I got the new seal in. So nice of him to stop by, give me a hand on this. You cannot believe how heavy these tires are. I had all I could do to get that sucker over to the wall when I took it off. I'm just a little guy. I'm not real horsepower-ish. And anyway, he helped me put that back on, lower deck. I need stuff, so I just thought I'd show you. Yeah. And I should be ready to rock. Did I test it yet? No. Do I gotta? No. I think we're good. So anyway, that's my tractor story for the week. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and comment. Comment. Anyway, appreciate you folks so much. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye. I shouldn't have stopped the film. Now I don't feel like working. Anyway, I gotta keep going though. So, talk to you in a bit. There goes the train. Well, anyway, hi tubers. Jeff back here the next day. And I'm gonna give you a little bit behind the scenes on things that you really don't know what's going on here. So let me show you. Okay, train is gone. I get to start filming again. About a week ago, I fell down in the bathroom. And I don't know if you can see this. This was all purple and blue. My thumb is not happy. And anyway, you kind of see where it's, oh yeah, you can see where it's tinted there, I bet. Yeah, not happy. So it made it really hard for me to wrench. As you use your right hand, you want to tighten stuff. So anyway, I had a friend stopped in last night to help me on the tractor. Okay, tubers, I thought I'd have to show you this. This is where I got the tractor stuck. And the dish line right here, it's all goo. I just got too far cutting the grass. And anyway, I buried it in this and I pounded the crap out of it. But that's where it really, oh, that thing was literally a goo cookie when I pulled it out. One of the renters was laughing his butt off because I dragged it up. I bounced it off the telephone pole there, that pole that I put in, an aluminum pole. I bounced that sucker off of there. And anyway, I had left it laying out there because I don't want it in the shop because there's so much cookie all over it. And anyway, that's that story. Well, I hope that's your excitement for today. Now you wouldn't know what's going on here. Anyway, thought I'd share that with you. Let me know something in the comments. Like, subscribe. Stupid Jeff. What do you want? A better video? I hope so. I'll get on it. Thanks for watching. We're back up by the shop here. Okay. Bye-bye, folks. Got water? Let me show you what I have here. Might find you interesting. You got a lot of 170, 80 trees, and you got to water them with soakers. Let me show you what I got. Okay, stay tuned.